Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about ToteScan, which is what I'm using to help take my organizing to the next level for my small business. So if you're interested in seeing if this could help you, whether it's at home or for your small business, then just keep watching. So if you're new here, hi, my name's Adrienne Jewell. I am a part-time reseller, which means I get paid to shop. I shop at thrift stores, garage sales, I get donations from friends and family, and I take those items that I purchase and sell them for profit on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. With that profit, I am paying off my debt, and I am also putting some money aside for a nice down payment for a home for myself and my family. So if you're interested in learning how to make some extra money on the side, definitely consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And for everyone watching, please remember to give this video a thumbs up because it does help my channel. And now let's get into ToteScan. First things first, I want to cover what ToteScan is. I'll tell you about the product, where you can get it. I'll also share how I'm using the application, give you a couple hacks, a little bit of instruction and background because I know that there's very limited information out there for you, but don't worry, I got you. So I'll show you how to use this application. I also want to share my favorite features of this product. Then I'm going to share a fun announcement at the very end of this video. So make sure that you stick with me to the end so that you hear this announcement that could potentially help you out too. ToteScan is a product that's available on Amazon.com, and it helps us to itemize our items and search for our items in all of the totes, the bins, the boxes that you have in your home, so you know exactly what's inside every single box, which is super helpful, especially if you have bins that are not see-through. ToteScan can be used for your home life or your business life if you have a small business. I'm using it for my small business because I have a lot of inventory. Everything that I store in my home has to be able to be in a location where I can quickly find it, so that when I get a sale, I can run to it, grab that item, package it up, and ship it out to my customer. Because I'm doing this part-time, I need to be able to quickly locate the item when it sells. And the problem that I've been having recently is I don't have a system that allows me to quickly find it. Now, I know that people use items like this where they're just inventory numbers and then you kind of write down what bin or box you might have put it in. And that's fine. I think that's a great system for a smaller business, but if you're someone like me who loves technology, you're going to love this product because it's an app. What you get when you purchase this product on Amazon is you'll get a set of stickers, some adhesives that contain QR codes. So they look like this and they all have a name on it, and what you do is you just peel off the sticker and throw it onto your tote. Then you'll scan the label in the ToteScan mobile app, which is available for Android and Apple devices. Once you've added your ToteScan labels to the app, you can start entering your items to every single tote. Now, when you add your items, you can add a title, a description, some photos, and even a barcode. Now, my three favorite features about this product are the profiles that you can set, the locations, as well as the product support. Profiles help you categorize your tote. So for instance, I have two different profiles in my ToteScan app. The first one is to categorize my personal items, and then the second one will be my inventory items for my small business. A great thing is that you can add a location to your tote, so you can actually say where in your home, your storage unit, your warehouse, wherever it is that you're storing your tote, where it's actually located. So for me, I have several different locations. I have a closet at my entryway where I store a lot of my shoes. I house some things in my laundry room. I have my closet in my office that has items stored on the left side and the right side, and then I have this white dresser behind me that also stores some shoes. So I have defined different locations inside the application, and when I need to find something, I just search for the item. It tells me the tote that it's in as well as the exact location, so I can just go straight to that location where it's housed and pull it, package it up, and ship it out to my customer. So it's much faster. There's no guesswork. I know exactly where everything is located. As far as product support, I have some questions about the use of the application, how to do different things such as deleting a profile or deleting a location that I had set up in error. And I found that there's a swipe feature just by talking to support who responded quickly, and that's important for me. So what you do if you need to delete something that you set up is you just swipe left and you'll get a red option that says that you can delete it at that time. So I found that you can delete a profile, but you cannot edit it, and that's fine with me. It didn't harm me too much to do that, but I mean, something for them to consider if you just want to edit a location. And also I found that in a tote you can edit as well, so you can swipe right with totes, and that gives you more edit options as well. So if you're wondering how to utilize this application, make sure you're swiping left or right to get more options that are available for you in the app. Some additional features that this app has is an inventory report that you can receive by email. It's a PDF download, and they are in development for a CSV download, which is something that I suggested and something that I want, but it's on their roadmap. No idea when it's going to be active, but just something to come and something to look forward to. Another feature is that it links to Alexa, the other Amazon product, and I can't say her name because she's sitting right there. When you link the app to Alexa, it will search for the item, or it can search for a tote. I did find that it works best for general items, so I think this will help more for items in my personal profile rather than my inventory, but that was just me through testing. It could be my version of Alexa. Maybe she's upset with me, I don't know. She seems to be upset with me all the time and doesn't do what I ask her to do, so maybe that's just Alexa, not the app, I don't know. But it does have that integration, which is pretty neat, and I'm looking forward to using that for my personal profile. Something really neat is you can also transfer totes to different people, or you can transfer items to different totes. So if you are someone who maybe you're exchanging inventory with someone else, you can just transfer a tote to them. Or if you're reorganizing your closet, whether it's your personal closet or your inventory, and you're reorganizing things, you can transfer items to different totes. So that way you don't have to do the title, the description, add images, or the barcodes all over again. You can just simply transfer that item to a tote, which is pretty neat. The way that I use the ToteScan labels is I've actually put them on a piece of scrapbook paper, and they're either in these protective plastic sleeves that I got at the Target dollar spot. I'll put some links below if you want something similar that I'll find on Amazon for you. Or I have them in these plastic badge holders that I actually thrifted, and I can link some below as well for you. So I have them in these protective sleeves and on the scrapbook paper, just because if I decide I want to reorganize my home, maybe a tote breaks or something like that, I have to get a replacement, I can just take this off versus having to try to peel off the sticker and put it on a new tote, you know. So I put these on protective sleeves just so that they're protected. I can still scan them. I can still see what the tote name is, the barcode or the QR code, all that good stuff. Another thing that I did to kind of speed up entering the items into my ToteScan app is I created some SKU numbers. So if you watched my video about SKU numbers, I'll link that up here. I created some SKU numbers in there, and with those SKU numbers I created a barcode. So what I have to do now is I just open up the ToteScan app. I'll do a screen recording of this so you can see this. All right, so let's say I want to add this item. And all I have to do, what I do is I am basically scanning this barcode, which will put the SKU number as the title, and that works for my business. So I'll just scan it here. And there it is. It's now in my application, and then I'll go ahead and I'll go to my selling platforms, which I found that Poshmark is the easiest to get my pictures from. So I'll just copy and paste a picture of this item. So this is skies are blue. So take a picture of this item and crop it. You don't have to crop it, I mean, just however it is that you want to see it on the app is how you can put it in here. Okay, download. Go back to ToteScan, add the picture, there it is. And in the description, I put the title of my item in here. So I'm just going to copy that and throw it into the description, and then save. Alrighty, so now that one is saved in my ToteScan app, and the reason that I do it this way is because one, the way it looks here. So if you look on this the bottom of the application, I have my SKU number at the top, but then I have the title of the item right below it. So I love the way that looks. I have the picture right beside it. And you can probably see that I don't have all pictures in the ToteScan app yet because it's time consuming. So whenever I have extra time, that's basically what I've been doing, is looking for the SKU number in my listings and finding it, taking the screenshot of the photo, taking the copy and pasting the title into that description. And it just makes it look more organized and pretty. Now, if you want to learn how to make barcodes for your SKU numbers, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to help you with that. Alrighty, now it's time for my announcement, and that is that you can win some free ToteScan labels. Now, there are 2 different ways that you can win. One is here on YouTube. I'm going to be selecting 3 different winners here on YouTube, and then you can also have another chance to win on my Instagram, which is at Jewel Butterfly Style on Instagram. And I'll be selecting 2 winners for Instagram. Now you can see full rules in the description down below, so please take a look at that. You basically just have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and complete a form that is linked for you down in that description for you. And I hope that you win. Now, if you do have any questions, of course, please let me know in the comments down below. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope that you win. And if you, again, have any questions or any video suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments. And until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful sales week, lots of sales days ahead, and a great day.